Let's talk about production, income, and spending. When producers produce goods and services, they employ factors of production, such as labor. The amount that they pay to the factors of production is the cost of production. Therefore, the rand value of production will be equal to the rand value of income received by all the factors of production. Then people go and spend their income on goods and services. This spending goes to producers again and enables them to produce more goods and services. And so the cycle goes on and on. However, consumers do not always spend all their income. They might save some of it, and sometimes they might even spend more than their income by buying on credit. Therefore, spending is not always equal to income. Remember, these are flow variables that could change constantly. In macroeconomics, we use certain symbols to represent these flows. And because production and income is always equal, we use the same symbol Y to represent both. And spending is represented by the symbol A. What happens when production and spending is not equal? To answer this, we have to look at inventories. Inventories are the goods produced by producers and are ready to be sold to consumers. If production is more than spending, inventories will increase. Producers are making more stuff than consumers are buying. Increasing inventories is a signal that spending by consumers are less than the production by producers, and therefore producers have to produce less. What if inventories decreases? Production can also be less than spending. Then inventories will decrease. Producers are not making enough stuff for consumers to buy. Decreases in inventories is a signal that spending by consumers are more than production. Therefore, producers have to produce more. Now we saw that spending and production is not always equal. Spending, A, can be less than production, Y. Then inventories will increase. Or spending can be more than production. Then inventories will decrease. But sometimes inventories does not change. It's constant. Then spending is equal to production and we are in equilibrium. An economist called John Baptist Say formulated a law that production and spending will always be equal. Say's law said that supply creates its own demand. However, during the Great Depression, it seems that Say's law was incorrect. John Maynard Keynes had a new theory, and that was that spending caused production.